Welcome to mobi.Locate. Today we are going to look at the Maps portion of mobi.Locate, our GPS fleet tracking solution. The Maps portion of the application allows you to view both present and past driver locations via a standard 2D map, satellite view, or first-person view. Let's log into mobi.Locate now by clicking on the Locate icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Upon logging into the application, you will be presented with three tabs in the upper right-hand corner. Let's select the middle tab labeled Maps. In the Live Map home screen, you will first notice the hierarchy of data that's being displayed in the upper left-hand corner of the application, directly below the words mobi.Locate. Let's click on that tree now. If we click on a name within the hierarchy, you will notice the Live Map is updated to display the information selected. As we move toward the central part of the United States, let's select the Austin branch in Texas. You will notice the map automatically zoomed in to the center of this branch and displayed the current vehicle's location within the branch. We also have several new options displayed in the screen. Starting in the top center of the screen, you will see the option to select the driver. If we move to the far right of the screen, you will notice a search box that allows us to find the closest driver by address. Directly below the search box, you will see the option to view the map in an overview mode, as we currently see the map displayed, or in a satellite mode over in the right-hand corner. Finally, on the far left, we have the ability to zoom the map in or out, as well as select the person icon to show the map in a street view. Let's get started today by selecting one of these vehicles on the map by clicking on it. We now see several details about the vehicle information displayed. The vehicle number assigned to the vehicle by the branch. We also see the VIN or vehicle identification number that is assigned by the manufacturer. We see the current speed, the time of the last data update, the current location of the vehicle, and an opportunity to look at the trips this vehicle has made since the beginning of the day. Let's click on the link Trips So Far Today. The application now displays the driver's scorecard for the day. We can see where the driver started the route and the sequence in which the driver stopped at different customer locations. Pulling your attention to the bottom of the screen, you will notice there are colored labels for each type of stop. This helps the management team see what POIs or points of interest the driver is stopping at very quickly. In this view, just like the live map, we have the ability to zoom in or zoom out on the left-hand side and view the map in overview mode or satellite mode in the upper right-hand corner. And recently, we have added the driver aspect view, which shows the road as the driver would see it traveling from point to point throughout the day. You will notice we also have a few additional options on the screen. We can change the date in the upper right-hand corner to see what activity the driver had on previous days. We also have the ability to click on one of the vehicle stops for additional details. Let's select the stop now. When selecting a stop, you'll notice that mobi.Locate centers on that stop. mobi.Locate will also show us the POI or point of interest ID if available. This could be a customer's name or simply the store, gas station name the driver is stopped at. This information can also be uploaded in our system through a simple spreadsheet. You will also see the address of the location, the driver number, the arrival date, and time, as well as the visit and travel durations. Let's now go to the left-hand side of the screen, then click and drag the person icon over to the street where the POI is located. Now you will see that we can navigate in first-person view, looking at the POI as well as other places around where the vehicle is located. If we click on the X in the upper right-hand corner, we can exit the first-person view mode of the application and go back to the live map. You will also notice at this time we have the ability to look at a satellite version of this map as well. Let's click on Satellite now. To change the application back to the standard 2D map, just click on the label Map. As we scroll down beneath the driver's scorecard, you will find additional information for the driver during that day. The additional driver scorecard information shows the schedule board for the day, which includes when the driver left in the morning, what customers the driver visited, the amount of drive time to each stop, and if you mouse over one of these stops, you will also find the name, the type of stop, the address, and duration of stop. The radio button to the left allows you to see this information in both duration and sequence views. Let's look at the sequence view. Finally, beneath the schedule board, you will see additional metrics that not only show us the actuals for the day, but also the total of the month to date, quarter to date, and year to date for the metrics of revenue, cost, distance, time, and visits. This information will help you to manage your driver's efficiency, helping them to achieve revenue targets, reduce drive time, and overtime for each period displayed. No matter what industry you're in, mobi.Locate's features are designed to help you meet and surpass your most challenging requirements. Since you've invested heavily in vehicle assets, field training, and staff resources, it only makes sense that you would want to ensure that investment. Thank you for taking time to review our MAPS training session today.